Hi everyone, this is PTYX from the Komodo team. Today I'm going to be showcasing the new feature on the Agama Wallet that is called Encrypt Seed, and it will allow you to encrypt your seed in your machine locally in order to log into your wallet without having to paste your seed over and over each time you log in. Similar to the Electrum wallet where you create a portfolio and you can log in with a password afterwards. The first step when you are in the Agama Wallet is to click Activate Coin and select the coin you want to create. Once you're in the dashboard, you would select Create New Wallet. Now in Create New Wallet, you will be presented with a seed. Now this seed is what generates your private keys. It's very important that you save it. I suggest either writing it down on paper or keeping it in a very secure USB in a text file, an encrypted text file. The next step is to confirm the wallet seed by pasting it. Now this is the important part. Once you have pasted it, it will give you the option to register, generate a QR code. However, we want to toggle the encrypt seed option. And what this will allow me to do is to encrypt this seed locally with a password. And I will use test passphrase as my test password. Okay, once you're done, you can also toggle custom pin file name, and the pin file is where your seed is located, and we can call it test wallet Agama. Once you've given the pin file a name, you can click register, and now it says that my encryption keys don't match. That means that my password did not match. Now they matched. Okay, so this is the screen that you will see when you now have created your profile, and in the pin password access you can select different profiles and you would just type in your password. And voila, you're in the wallet. Now when you're in the wallet, this is what I always do. I take the public address and I copy it. And the reason why is because I like to double check. So I will log out of the wallet and log back in just to make sure that everything is good before I send funds to the wallet. Okay, so actually I'm not going to log out now, but what I will do is that I will show you the other options. Now, once you have created the profile in the wallet, you might be asking yourself, how do you retrieve the seed, for example, if you lose it? So in the Agama Wallet, you'll have two options. You'll have the encrypt seed option where you'll see the profiles you've created and you can delete them, or you can see where they're located so you can save them elsewhere. Also, you will have the export key option, and in the export key option you will simply type your passphrase, get seed and WIF keys, and you will receive the full seed, the address, and the WIF key, which is the private key. And as you can see, it's the same seed. And that is how you now can store and use your wallet without having to paste the seed over and over. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's very straightforward. If you guys have any questions, please visit support.komodoplatform.com. Also join Slack and Telegram if you have any questions. Have a great day, guys.